This is Gigante. He's way too big for me, so I let my wife handle him. With proper technique, she makes it look like a breeze. Now that she's done all my heavy lifting, I can get started. Again, I skip straight to the hip because I really want you to see the fleece at the end. Gigante is a Columbia sheep. They're known to be extremely tall and have excellent fiber. And this guy does not disappoint. His fleece is incredibly thick and rich, which is why he's a stud for this herd. He's not the heaviest, but he's definitely the tallest boy I've shorn. So I am grateful that he is being super cooperative. Until I get to his head, where he reminds me that if he wanted to, he could totally take me. This is just 1 year's worth of growth, and even though I'm bending him around, he's not being hurt at all. Quick turn off of my shear so I can maneuver him into the upward position. A couple wiggles to get comfy, and back to rolling the rest of it off. This guy lives on a fiber farm, so his 12-pound fleece will be sold so that someone can make yarn out of it. Now that he's all cleaned up, let's go check his fleece out. Look at that spread. Truly amazing. Thanks, buddy.